and then you're gonna put it in there. Oh,
What are we doing?
I'm gonna cut the meat.
What are we doing, Grandpa and Brett?
We are making a beef jerky because Brett is visiting and he's gonna be processing it. I'm just going to cut the meat for him 1/4 inch because the meat cutter wouldn't do it. And we're gonna put it in that thing there and then we're gonna cook it tomorrow.
We're gonna marinate it today. And
Gonna
what
marinate it
ingredients are we using to marinate it?
Bud Light, Coca-Cola,
Oh, good stuff.
Worcestershire,
Worcestershire.
I don't know how to say that, and soy sauce.
And the powders?
We're using onion salt, garlic salt, steak seasoning, Montreal seasoning, steak salt, and then black pepper. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Also, the Montreal seasoning will go on after we marinate it.
Okay.
So it won't be in the marinating. So as we
Yeah.
put it on the grill, we'll sprinkle that
On
on.
the instructions, it says combine the soy sauce,
Yep.
water, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper and whiskey. So
Yep.
don't add the pepper yet.
No, you'll add the pepper. Everything except the Montreal salts.
Okay.
Sauce.
And this recipe book came with your smoker, Dad?
It came with the Traeger.
The Trader Smoker.
Traeger smoker.
Traeger.
Traeger smoker. It all came
Yep.
with.
And we forgot to describe what kind of meat you're using.
Yes, we are using top round eye.
And the other selection or option is?
Well, right now we are using the beef eye round roast, but you can use top round roast also.
Perfect.
Right.
Oh. All right, so you're gonna slice it in
1/4
Two.
inch.
1/4 inch chunks.
And you can also shave all the fat off too.
Ooh,
So what I think I'm gonna do, because
that is a thin slice.
this is, because it's a top eye, we need to actually eventually cut that in half,
Gotcha.
and which we can do like this.
And you can just cut off some of the fat that's
And
on
any
the
fat that's on there,
sides.
you can cut off, so make it easy to eat when the process is over. So
And how long do you smoke it?
according to the directions, you cook it 3.5 to 4 hours. You smoke. All smoke, no cook.
And when you're smoking it, are you brushing on any more of the marinated sauce, or you just
No.
leave it?
You're discarding the marinade sauce
Okay.
because of safety.
Yeah, because it had raw meat in
It
it.
has raw meat in it, so that's all going to be
You
discarded.
brush any sauces on it once it's in the smoker?
No. Nope. What I do, I will add honey while it's smoking, or I will add different types of seasonings, which Brett is going to do while it's smoking. You can do that,
Gotcha.
but 9 times out of 10, you don't do anything after it marinates for overnight.
Right now I'm
Makes me
pouring
have to
some.
go to the
it's kinda making a
bathroom.
mess.
That's a lot of soy sauce.
Yeah.
You can also buy
we're
a
making a
low
double
sodium soy sauce.
Making a double batch so it can
Ooh.
soak.
Yeah, so how many,
Oh,
how much meat for the ingredients that you're...
We're making enough for 4 pounds of meat. So
Oh, okay, so the recipe calls
So
for
you're
2
doubling it.
pounds, so
Mhm.
he's gonna just double
double
that.
it.
Yeah. That's right.
Doubling it.
Yep. All right.
Got it a little.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. So Grandpa's cutting away over here, and Brett's getting the ingredients ready for
Yep,
the
I'm
marinade.
cutting 1/4 inch slices.
And today is December 17th, I think, for 2025. We're visiting, oh, it's
True.
the 16th. Visiting Grandma and Grandpa in
Beautiful
Florence,
Arizona.
Florence, Arizona. For a quick trip, Brett and I came out to say hi.
Yeah, we're glad they did.
And then after this, we're gonna go hit the swimming pool, right?
Yep.
Can you look up for a second?
Oh, sure. How's everybody doing? We wouldn't have to do this, but I made 4 pounds of beef jerky for Brett, and it was gone in a day and a half.
You made 4 pounds?
4 pounds,
Oh,
and it's
geez.
gone. So,
Oh, wow.
so we had to make more since he's here another day and a half.
Well,
Oops.
what do you have to say for yourself?
It's super
It
good.
was taste good.
It was good. It was a great midnight snack and an all day, every hour snack.
It was very good.
It was
And
awesome.
it was gone
Yeah.
in a day and a half.
Yes. I did steal a couple pieces from my friends to make Bloody Marys.
So 2 cups of 1 cup of Coke so far, and
I did half and half.
oh, okay.
But you do half a
Coke and
cup.
beer. Okay.
But
Half a cup soy sauce, half a cup of beer, cola or water or a mixture, 1/4 a cup of Worcestershire, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder,
Yes,
1
he did.
teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon freshly black pepper, and the steak seasoning you put on afterwards, and your 2 pounds of meat. Top or bottom round, sirloin tip or flank steak.
you're adding a soy sauce.
How long do you marinate it for?
Overnight.
24 hours.
Yeah.
And it smokes in how many hours? Like 4, you said?
4 hours.
Okay.
And its smoke will get up to, it should get up to almost 200 degrees.
Okay.
But you're not cooking it, you're smoking it only.
Yep. How do you know when it's done? I would show you a finished product, but I think Brett just ate the last piece. Am I right, Brett?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, you'll notice because
Yeah.
if you buy beef jerky at the store, it'll look exactly the same.
Yeah. Really dry.
You don't want to over smoke it because if you do, it's crispy. It'd be like potato chips. You don't want to do that.
Yeah.
It's got to be chewy.
And you keep it refrigerated when you're done.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions, Brett? You think you can do this on your own?
He's got the recipe. He can do it on his own. He has to buy a
Yeah.
smoker.
And the meat, which when he learned the price of this meat, he was
Yep.
like, oh, I won't be doing that.
Not until I.
Not
It
till
was
he.
over
gets
$20 for 4 pounds.
Yeah.
That's when I get paid.
And that was on sale.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We
you might
paid
wanna-
$5.99 a pound, and normally it's
Should I just finish this?
$2.99. Anything left over, we get. Oh yeah, just if we have to, just finish it. Yeah,
Ask Grandma, because she might want to
well, I'll just buy
use it
another
for
one.
another
You want
ingredient.
this for?
There's
anything
a
else?
little
There's
left.
Only a little bit left.
Oh, just take it. He just has to write on the list that we
She's
need.
packing for us to go to the pool.
Yep. What we're doing now is Brett he put a little bottom layer of marinade, and we're putting the first row on, and then he's going to pour a little bit on top. So go ahead and use this because that way you can control it a little
Says it's
better.
only 68
got it.
out.
Okay. Pour a little bit on top. Perfect. Good. And then we'll crisscross these so the sauce will run between the ends, like so. Oops. And pour a little bit more on there. On that top, I gotta finish cutting here.
Hey, did anybody say why Gene and Tom didn't come?
Tom was there. Jen's probably
Gotcha.
Third layer, opposite direction.
every row's opposite the direction.
Just like that.
Give or take, you know.
What is that one game called?
Yeah, what is the name of that
That
game?
wood stacking game.
Jenga.
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 It's like Jenga.
Yeah. Okay, another layer. I'm still cutting stuff here. Let's see. Forgot where I was.
If you want it spicy, you could add red pepper, crushed red pepper.
You can do anything you want to your
Hey,
marinade.
did you sprinkle the steak seasoning on
didn't
when
have
you were
to
on
see
the
how-
grill or not?
how
You
much,
wait.
Layers.
You wait till you go on the grill,
Brian Grimm was
For the steak seasoning and the
and
munch.
then you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually, that's both the same.
Yeah.
Brett, go ahead.
Wow, so that's the fourth layer.
Yep, because we got 4 pounds.
Mm-hmm. No messing around.
Okay, and we're gonna save the last batch for the whole shebang. We're layering it again. There's a big thick piece there. When we go to the smoker, we'll put this one on the front because it smokes a little better on the front because it's so big. Okay, just go ahead and dump all that in there now. Go ahead. Let us put that around the corner. Perfect. And then, since my hands are already washed and cleaned and dirty with meat, get all that good stuff out of there. There you go.
Peppers.
Yeah, get all that out of there. Good.
Now you're gonna massage it all in there.
And then you just kind of massage it in there, and since my hands are already massaged.
Alrighty.
And it only took us a half hour to do this because we tag team on it. I only did the meat and Brett did everything else, so you did the hard stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And Brett has his own private refrigerator in the garage, so this is where the turkey's going. Okay, get that lid out of there.
Turkey.
Throw that lid
Beef
on there
jerky.
nice and tight.
Alright.
Nice and